Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we have our little carnation seedlings here. We planted these 12/13/2017, and as you can see, they're getting their true leaves. They've gotten their true leaves. Actually, some of them are on their second set. We did lose one of them to dampening off, so we're going to get that out of there. And we had one that didn't come up. Could have been something wrong with the seed. And we're going to actually feed these today. And we're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of the powdered Miracle-Gro all-purpose food, and we're going to mix it with a gallon of rainwater, and we're going to feed these. Now we're going to make sure before we feed them that the soil is nice and moist, because you never want to feed a dry plant. You will risk burning the roots, and we don't want to do that. So we'll feed them here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so before we feed these here, I want to show you. I'm going to take one of these out. As you can see, the roots are already growing out of here. So we're going to be transplanting these then. I'm actually going to put them in their permanent container. I did that last year, and I had really good results. I actually had carnations blooming indoors under the lights, so they made nice little bouquets. So we'll get to feeding these now. Okay, so we're back here, and I got my plant food in this little dish right here. You can't really, I got the plant food mixture, you can't really see it too much because it is a light feeding. We don't want to burn the roots of our plants, and I'm just going to dump just a little bit on top there, because this is their first feeding that they've had. Here we go. And they were moist, so we're good. And I'll be putting these back under the lights then, and that'll just give them some food to keep them growing, because there's no food in these Jiffy peat pellets. And I always wear gloves when I feed my plants, or when I'm even mixing the plant food, because I just don't want the chemicals. That's just something that I do. And when these are ready to be transplanted, when we transplant them to the bigger pot, bigger container, we will come back with another video. And so that's what we're going to do. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below. And I hope you have a nice day. Bye.